Christopher? Christopher, what? You're invited to my brother's birthday in a couple of minutes. Thank you. Wait a minute, where is the party? At my house. Why did you take me to your house? Because, stay right there. Why? It's gonna be a surprise birthday, Christopher. You see, you guys are gonna hide right there, and then I'll jump out and surprise and say happy birthday at the same time. Bye. And I hope we actually do it all right and do it at the perfect timing. And you're gone. No, where'd you go? I was inviting more people. Hey, George! What? You're invited to my brother's birthday in a couple of minutes at my house. Okay. You know where my house is, right? Yeah. Sam, you're invited to my brother's birthday at my house in a couple of minutes. Okay. Tristan, Matt, Jaden, Gage. Wow, that was fast. Oh, and I'll take my cousin Clementine. Oh, come on, Clementine. Let's go. Or Clemers, whatever your name is. Clementine. Okay, Clementine, let's go. Okay, wait. Who are you? Steve. How'd you get here? Oh, friend of your brother's. He invited me. Oh. Alright, you guys stay here, and Christopher, yeah, you keep an eye on my little 1-year-old cousin Clementine, and I'm gonna go over here and just walk around. Do. Hey, can I be your friend? Who are you? Ted. That's my name, Ted. Can I be your friend? Why? Why do I have to? Because I want you to be. Okay, well, do you have any Sour Patch Kids? No. Do you like candy like that? Do you like sour candy? Yes, I love sour candy. Me too, but I don't have any of them at my house or any other sour candy. Aww. I have caramel. Hey, I hate caramel. You didn't understand. Caramel apples. Okay, I lied. I don't have caramel apples, but I wish I did. Well, I would like them. Okay, leave me alone. No. Okay, you weird sour. Okay, sour. I'll tell you what, dude. If I invite you to my brother's birthday party and I take you to our house, will you leave me alone? Okay. This is supposed to be a relaxing walk. Come on, let's go. So Clementine's doing nothing. Just on the floor hiding. Hey guys. You're back? Well, that must have been a short walk. Yeah, I met this weird sour. Sour? Yeah, I just made up that insult. Because he likes sour candy and he has a weird personality. And a kind of weird darker. Dad, here comes Joey, real far away. Guys, go in your hiding spot. Why do we have to hide somewhere? Because it's a surprise birthday. What's a surprise birthday? Hide. Why? I don't want to. I'll go behind the barbecue. There he comes. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Joey! Whoever you are! Hey, Sour! What are you doing, Sour? Wait a minute. Huh? Wait just a minute. Hey, dude, you're an idiot. Aw. That's mean. Hey, dude, you're a sour. Sour, you're a sour. Okay, now he's flying and gliding through the air. And now we just like floated to the ground and they hard. Joby? Yo, wanna open your presents now? Here's the first gift. Here's a hat.